पढ़ेंगे। स्कूल कैसा है? आपका
Ma'am,
स्कूल
it is
कैसा है बेटा?
Ma'am, it is good. Ma'am, it is
It is
good.
good. It's not. It's only good. It's not better or
No, ma'am, it is better also.
best.
Ma'am, it is best school. Ma'am की आवाज ही कट रही है क्या?
मैम ये नेटवर्क
कैसे?
Better also. Okay. So, how
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
now it's best. Okay. So you not better.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Wait a minute, Pita. Now can you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
now my voice is clear for you.
Yes, ma'am.
So whose picture in is your profile?
What, ma'am? I can't listen.
Whose picture is in your profile?
Ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Hello. Unmute करो बेटा, unmute करो पहले. First of all, you unmute yourself. Okay, first of all, I forget what's your good name. I can see Alka is in your name. What's your good name?
Ma'am, Shona Singh.
Sona Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sona Singh. And Alka, who is Alka? Your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you want to study it with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Sona, it's a very good thing. So, do you know what's my name?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. My name is Sunita and I'm from Jaipur.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, what you want to study? You want to study all subject or just you want to study Hindi?
Ma'am, I want to study all subject.
All subject. Which is your favorite subject?
Ma'am, English.
English. Wow. What do you know about English? Do you know nouns, pronouns,
Yes,
adjectives?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what. Okay, tell me what is noun.
Ma'am, noun are place, thing, people, name, etc.
Wow, it's a very good, Sona.
Thank you,
Really,
ma'am.
I appreciate you. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, and 1 minute. Okay. Okay, then we will meet you again tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Bye,
Nice to
ma'am.
meet you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.